Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning, Kapur sir. Good morning, Zaid. I hope everyone is doing fine. I don't want to take much time of ma'am and yours also. So let's start. Good morning. Um, before starting, I just want to say ki, if anyone knows the answer, just raise your hands because everyone by like that everyone gets a fair chance. Okay. Right. So yeah. So X was thought to be the greatest, most versatile quick change artist of his day. He was famous for his extraordinary ability in impersonations and his quickness in exchanging roles. So much so that while he was performing in London in 1890s, unkind rumors spread that there was more than one X. He quickly quashed these rumors by inviting journalists and doubters backstage to see him at work. X had no secrets. He even went to see the host of imitators he inspired, the great Riccoli and XNA were some examples and offer them advice about how to improve their performances. Anomalisa is a 2015 American adult stop motion psychological comedy drama film directed by Y and Duke Johnson and written by Y himself. It is based on a 2005 audio play by Y that explores this X syndrome. So basically, X is a person on whom the syndrome was named. So you have to give me what is X syndrome, obviously, and who is Y. Anyone wants to try? Can you please tell me your name? Prajwal. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, that's a good guess. Anyone else? Okay. So Prajwal here got the answer right. It's Fregoli syndrome. Yeah. So you have to give me Y also. Even if you don't give me Y, it's fine because. And this is the photo where you can see he's like Timothy Chalamet lookalike. He's actually Fregoli. And you can see how it's the same person, but he's changing the thing. So you don't have to give me Y, but you can. There's also one interesting link between Y and also the upcoming question. So Z is a movie starring Jim Carrey, directed by Michael Gondry and written by Y. So, my God. So where a fictional medical procedure is offered by lacuna in poor patients. The process involves mapping brain regions as labeled below and systematically disrupting the neural connections leading to the fictional desired effect, helping the patients. So, okay. The film explores the ethical dilemmas of the consequences of that fictional procedure, questioning whether pain is essential for personal growth and identity. It highlights the profound impact of memory on human relationships and the unintended consequences of manipulating the mind. So X is already answered. Anyone wants to answer Z apart from Prajwal? Yeah. What's your name? Okay, so Mukesh here and Prajwal here and other people who have not say it out loud have answered it right. It's Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Uh, so yeah, X is Fregoli syndrome. You can see there's like Fregoli written there. Niche. The condition is named after the Italian actor Leopoldo Fregoli, who was renowned for his ability to make quick changes of appearance during his stage act. And that is the stop motion film directed by Charlie Kaufman. So why is actually Charlie Kaufman? He is also the director of Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. You can see that. So that is Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. And anyone wants to, like in the labeled thing, na? Anyone wants to try what are the parts labeled? Ma'am wants to try it. Any guesses? Yes. It's hippocampus and amygdala. And which MRI is this? Yes, you're right. Water is not white. So yeah, T1 weighted MRI scan. So hippocampus plays important role in consolidation of information, right? And so is the amygdala in processing of memory and decision making and emotional responses. So basically, what I want to say is in Eternal Sunshine of Spotless Mind, This Lacuna Inc. is a company which helps patients by erasing their painful memories. But the movie does so good job in depicting how even the painful memories are so essential to become who we are. This shows how pain teaches us lessons and gives meaning to joy. By erasing pain, the characters lose not only their struggles but also the beauty of their connection. As they say, what's light without darkness, and what's joy without sadness, and what's comfort without pain, and what's success without failure, right? And so, such is life. So, a beautiful mix of everything and anything. So, try to embrace it with open arms and have a wonderful day. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.